So for the first meal, I'm going to be making a very simple pizza. The dough that I'm using is a flatbread dough from Trader Joe's. It was $2.99, so extremely cheap. We decided to make both because we were really, really hungry. But I think you can get away with just making one, two, and splitting it in half for dinner and having like a side salad. But what I'm doing to the dough is I'm adding some olive oil to like the crust and stuff to like give it some crunch while it's in the oven. And then I'm gonna go in with my favorite tomato sauce. Now, I don't always use pizza sauce. You can use any sauce you would like on your pizza. I feel like people tend to forget that. If you like ranch, then go with ranch. If you don't like any sauce, then don't do any sauce. So you don't have to follow rules when it comes to pizza. It's very versatile. So I'm just spreading all of that over. I also added some dry herbs to the crust. So I added some garlic powder, some rosemary, thyme, things like that. And when it comes to the cheese, I'm using a vegan cheese. I forgot which brand. There's so many vegan cheese brands out there now. So again, use whatever you like. For our veggie toppings, I'm going with green peppers, onions, and pineapples. So keeping it extremely simple. Now that I'm done putting all of my toppings on the pizza, I'm going to place it in the oven for about 15 minutes. I put it on 350 Fahrenheit. Again, it all depends on your oven. So this is what it looked like when it was completely done. It was crunchy, but still nice and soft, and I really enjoyed it. We did have the vegan cheese and the vegetables and tomato sauce on hand, so all we had to do was purchase the $3 dough, which I feel like this is the most inexpensive pizza I have ever made. So let me know down below if you guys try this out. I think it came out absolutely delicious. So the last meal, you can either eat it for lunch or dinner, and that is a kale salad. So I chopped up some kale, some apples and carrots, placed it in a large bowl, added some olive oil and massaged everything together. Now, when it comes to protein, you can either add whatever you like, or you can go with falafels. That's what I did. We had some falafels left over from the previous night, so I figured why not just add them to the salad? You can just place them in the bowl, and now we're gonna make a dressing. You want to add a little bit of salt, a tiny, tiny bit of apple cider vinegar. I eyeball everything, you guys, so I'll say, like, for measurement purposes, maybe like smaller than a teaspoon. You're going to want to also sprinkle some coconut aminos and a dab of vegan mayo or regular mayo, again, your preference. And then you just want to mix everything together. Always taste test too. If it needs more salt, add more salt. If it needs more apple cider vinegar, add more of that. But that's basically it, you guys. I know this was a very short video. I didn't want to make this too long. I know recipe videos can be a little bit lengthy, so I wanted to make it simple and quick and frugal for you guys. So I hope you enjoy these recipes, and I will catch you in the next video.